Hello everyone! A week of work has passed and we are back with a series of noteworthy heavy-duty machines. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of these impressive devices because I believe their breakthroughs will leave you amazed. Valtra N114 and sulky seed drills are the perfect choice for implementing modern and effective agricultural seeding methods. The power of the Valtra N114 and the precision of the sulky seeder combine to create a flexible and efficient seeding process. With their compact design and advanced technology, they help reduce soil pressure and bring convenience and optimized productivity to crop production. Surprisingly, in the process of agricultural modernization, slope-side corn cob collection systems and rail-mounted corn harvesters have highlighted the preparation process for corn bale presses. This is an important step forward in optimizing production processes and is evidence of the integration of technology and high performance to improve quality and efficiency in corn silage harvesting and processing. The John Deere 8270R, combined with the Degelman Land 8000 road roller equipped with a 24M wide rim, is the perfect combination of modernity and power to provide optimal soil rolling efficiency, effectively preparing the ground for sowing seeds. The seamless and precise coordination between the John Deere 8270R tractor and the Degelman Land Roller 8000 helps improve productivity in soil cultivation and creates ideal conditions for plants to grow strongly. Modern agriculture has brought many innovations, and smart machines have inspired advances in the field. If you find this video interesting, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover more about agricultural machinery. Riser Agrotechnics AgriBuggy. A 280 is an advanced technology in self-propelled sprayers. With automatic adjustment and precise liquid injection, this machine delivers high efficiency and reduces waste. The unique feature of the AgriBuggy A280 is its ability to move automatically in the field, increasing flexibility and minimizing manual labor. This advanced technology helps improve the quality of pesticide application and contributes to environmental protection. TTA's automatic vegetable growing robot is more than just a device. It symbolizes modernity and progress in the field of agriculture. Thanks to Visser's Selectomat Phoenix sorting and sorting machine, we achieve outstanding productivity, processing up to 8,000 plants per hour. This achievement is the result of Visser's innovative clamping technology, which includes 12 clamps operating simultaneously, each independently controlled. This uniformity and efficiency not only boosts production but also significantly reduces labor effort. Class 108 SIL has proven its power and efficiency in harvesting oilseed pumpkins. Designed with advanced technology, the Class 108 SL not only picks and processes pumpkins quickly and efficiently, but also ensures the quality of the harvested product. With a working speed of 10 km per h and high accuracy, Class 108 SL has helped farmers improve productivity and reduce effort during the harvesting process. The combination of advanced technology and precision engineering in the Class 108 SL has delivered impressive results. Big Bud 525/50 is considered a symbol of agricultural strength, showing class and power. With a powerful engine and the ability to pull plows with 21 plows, this tractor not only demonstrates power but is also a reliable companion in the field. The ability to process large areas of land at once not only saves time but also significantly increases work productivity. In this way, the Big Bud 525/50 not only reduces manual labor but also pushes the boundaries in handling diverse and challenging terrain and land reclamation. The Auto Agri ICS 20 HD low-cut lawnmower and the Kverneland FML 180 lawnmower have proven to be highly efficient and powerful. The Kverneland FML 180 lawnmower excels at cutting grass evenly, significantly improving productivity and saving time like never before. The Ducker Bankett Phrase SBF 900 self-propelled road milling machine is the ideal solution for digging and preparing roadside surfaces. Equipped with a powerful hydraulic digging system, the machine can overcome obstacles such as streetlight poles or large trees. The motor is safely protected by a load-shedding clutch that can be turned off, improving the durability and longevity of the machine. The integrated adjustment system helps maintain the desired line shape and angle. The Stella Robot lawnmower is not limited to just mowing the lawn. It is also expert at handling steep slopes and difficult-to-reach weed-filled terrain. With advanced technology and high durability, the Stella Robot lawnmower not only brings high efficiency, but also helps create new spaces on the land effectively. The Ferrari Remoweed machine is a technical breakthrough in agriculture. The ability to remove weeds across 31 rows of crops in just one pass is amazing. There is no need to repeat this process multiple times on the same area. The machine works quickly. Ferrari Remoweed is a powerful assistant, helping farmers save time and effort. Herbicide is an effective method of weed removal on organic farms, researched to bring about a sustainable future. Instead of using chemicals, this method uses high-temperature or light technology to effectively kill weeds naturally. Herbicide not only protects the environment but also maintains soil health and plant vitality. It does not affect soil quality, ensuring organic soil and thriving plants. This method provides a sustainable solution for farmers, helping them maintain high yields and ensuring the final product is safe for consumers. The inspiring moment when Presser Profi Riser deployed 7 quarter-ball impression balers simultaneously during hay harvesting. This is an impressive demonstration of organization and professionalism and is an important step towards improving production efficiency. Synchronization helps reduce working time, improve capacity to handle large volumes of hay, and ensure bale quality is always tight and consistent. Lohnunternehmen Reiser, a Swiss company, has made a notable breakthrough in the agricultural industry with its mega drill automatic seeder and 2 pairs of powered motorbikes. With the ability to operate synchronously and accurately, Mega Drill is a reliable teammate and a symbol of progress in agricultural technology. Managing an 18-hectare area is no longer a challenge as this machine produces 544 rows of high-quality barley grains. This intrigues farmers and opens up new perspectives on efficiency and sustainability in the agricultural sector. Monosem's Valoterra seeder is not just an ordinary seeder, but also an excellent representative of innovation in the agricultural industry. With the ability to increase efficiency, this seeder increases profits through flexibility and productivity, while providing smart solutions that combine economic efficiency and environmental conservation. Ease of use and access to connected agricultural systems are additional advantages of Valoterra, allowing farmers to adopt the technology and take advantage of the machine's benefits quickly. Green Machine's 400 series scanner is the result of over 40 years of development and features advanced features. Specifically designed for cleaning complex suburban areas, they withstand the high pressures of daily operations and incorporate the latest technological conveniences. This product line offers 3 upgrades for maximum durability, transforming the standard machine into a more versatile and productive tool. Easy operation, reduced waste, and the ability to clean hard-to-reach areas in the city make the Green Machine's 400 series more than just a sweeper, but a comprehensive solution for maintaining cleanliness and aesthetic. Promises to meet all requirements and receives high reviews from users. If you find this content interesting, please leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can embark on this journey together to explore the most modern agricultural technology and machinery. We witness the magical combination of technology and power between 2 outstanding machines, the Fendt 936 and the Horsch Terrano 7 FM, together preparing the ground for the upcoming season. Behind the powerful appearance of the Fendt 936 is a 620 horsepower engine block, providing more than enough power for the Horsch Terrano 7 FM to operate accurately and strongly. Together with the Terrano 7 FM's intelligent design, which features advanced tips and blades, it turns even the toughest soils into fine and crumbly textures, highly effective in large fields spanning up to 120 meters. Fendt 936 and Horsch Terrano 7 FM are not just part of agricultural work. They demonstrate passion and patience in creating a highly productive farm. The interesting thing about the Agrifac Hextrax machine is that it brings us technology from the future. Designed with 12 harvesting channels, this machine is not just an ordinary harvesting tool, but also equipped with impressive technology. Hextrax's precision and efficiency are limitless. It uses an automatic conveyor system with small holes to filter sand and impurities, and has large bins of up to 50 cubic meters for long harvesting processes. Agrifac Hextrax can harvest a 40-hectare area of sugar beet in just one session. Agrifac Hextrax is more than just a tool. It represents the power and sophistication of future agriculture. The combination of the Case 9250 and the Sunstorm sunflower harvesting system represents advanced technology and high performance. The Case 9250 harvester is designed with a powerful 570 horsepower engine and flexible maneuverability, capable of handling harvesting pressure over large areas. The Sunstorm sunflower harvesting system with precisely oriented nozzles ensures efficient, fast sunflower harvesting in the field. The garlic harvesting process becomes magical under the skilled hands of modern Verhoest harvesting machines. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this machine harnesses the essence of precision to dig deep into rows of leeks. Each harvested garlic plant is not simply an agricultural product. After harvesting, the work doesn't stop there. Lair, riding on the powerful Fendt 720, handles the garlic bulbs delicately, transporting them back to the farm safely and accurately. I must say, this machine is the best garlic harvesting technology, combining high precision with quick harvesting, greatly reducing the farmer's effort. The BRZ two-toothed rotary harrow is a unique, modern tillage device bringing many outstanding advantages in preparing land for agricultural production. With over 40 years of experience developing and integrating advanced technology, BRZ2 is a soil farming product and a symbol of innovation and high performance. Designed with simplicity and reliability in mind at the Voskhod factory, which has more than 20 years of agricultural machinery manufacturing experience, BRZ2 is a reliable partner for farmers. The Helmreich Farms Hextrax self-propelled sugar beet harvester is a symbol of innovation and efficiency in agriculture. Designed with automation and advanced technology, Hextrax delivers a highly efficient sugar beet harvesting experience. Integrated advanced technology allows Hextrax to operate with precision, speed, and efficiency. This not only improves production capacity, but also saves time and costs. With the ability to move automatically, this harvester helps reduce labor workload and improve work efficiency in the field. (7,175-15) Grape Liner Eero Smart Technology. Harvesting grapes with ERO Grape Liner. 7175-15 is a modern process and the key to high efficiency and product quality in agriculture. With its specialized design, this harvester not only simplifies the complexity of the job but also optimizes the working process in large-scale vineyards. The flexibility and adjustability of the machine allows it to adapt to all conditions and individual characteristics of each vine. The ERO Grape Liner 7175-15 is convenient for handling large grapes and uses smart sorting technology to ensure only the ripest grapes are harvested. The TigerCat 822E logging machine equipped with the 5702 chopping head is not only a machine in the forestry industry but also a symbol of surprise and modernity. The integrated 5702 chopping head delivers outstanding high performance, allowing for quick and precise cutting of wood. Advanced controls help optimize workflow and ensure safety. The TigerCat 822E is more than just an ordinary logger. It symbolizes convenience and innovation in the woodworking industry, bringing a surprising and impressive experience every time it operates. The world's most special wood processing factory is operating with most of the machinery with the most advanced technology. This is not just an ordinary wood processing facility, but a collection of the most advanced technology in the industry. The combination of modern machinery ensures outstanding performance and product quality. From cutting wood to processing and packaging, every step is performed automatically and accurately. This helps optimize the production process, significantly reduce labor, and improve the factory's competitiveness in the international market. Tiemann RC751 remote control lawnmower is a technological breakthrough in agriculture. The combination of remote control technology and precise grass cutting helps improve work efficiency. With flexible maneuverability and precision in cutting grass, the machine brings convenience and efficiency to farmers. This is truly a significant innovation in turf and soil management. In harvesting potatoes, the Plieger AR4BX becomes a reliable companion of the farmer. With outstanding performance, the Plieger AR4BX not only harvests potatoes quickly, but also ensures the highest product quality. Equipped with rotating blades and advanced filters, the machine removes impurities, delivering clean potatoes and helping farmers save time and effort. The ERO SF200 self-propelled harvester imported by Loyal and Ocie in 2009 has proven its power and efficiency in harvesting grapes. Equipped with advanced technology, ERO SF200 automatically moves through rows of grapes, automatically identifying ripe grapes for harvesting. With an automatic cutting system and powerful fan, the machine gently separates grapes from vines, preserving grape quality. In addition, ERO SF200 is also equipped with an advanced filter to help prevent dust particles and impurities from contaminating the product. The versatility and efficiency of ERO SF200 not only helps farmers save time, but also ensures the quality and cleanliness of harvested grapes. When sowing rice seeds, the machine uses a Kverneland seed box with an 8-meter-long seed distribution fin to spread seeds randomly on the soil surface. This ensures the rice seeds are evenly distributed throughout the field. The Challenger MT 755E tractor is equipped with a Kverneland DF2 seed box with a capacity of up to 17 cubic meters, containing enough seed for the intended area. After the rice seeds have been spread evenly, people use the Schuppe Vibris tool to press the seeds into the soil, ensuring the seeds adhere tightly to the ground in optimal conditions for germination. This process not only optimizes seed sowing, but also brings about strong and uniform growth for rice plants, bringing the best rice harvest to farmers. Deba machine handle uses an advanced wood processing system with the Primaltini Shaw 1400 CF IFB machine line. Timber is safely transported through designated routes and then transferred to automatic timber hauling vehicles using modern hydraulic technology, facilitating movement to required locations. The circular saw divides the wood into precise pieces before the circular saw cuts it into the desired wooden planks. The bean harvesting process with the John Deere 6140R and Colombo Double Master 4 is very efficient and precise. First, the farmer ensures that the 6140R and Double Master 4 have been properly inspected. When operating, the farmer adjusts the cutting speed and depth to suit the bean type and soil conditions. The device automatically cuts and separates the beans from the plant, then collects the beans into a 20 cubic meter container. When the tank is full, the John Deere 6140R stops, allowing the user to unload the beans and continue the harvesting process. We have just brought you some impressive heavy machines. What do you think after watching our videos about these machines? Please like and subscribe to the channel to continue watching the following videos about these machines.